Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious and most fluffiest pancake ever. Okay, for this recipe you're going to need 1 egg. You're going to take your mixer and beat this until it's nice and fluffy. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. It's important that you don't skip this part because this is what makes your pancake really nice and fluffy. After making pancakes like this for a while, I realized how important it is to have a good mixer. Now this one is very old, I've had it forever. My mom gave us as a wedding gift, but it's the best mixer I have to date. And I have other name brand mixers. They are pretty to look at, but they don't work as good as this one. They're not powerful like this one, so it's important to have a good mixer and one that really works. Okay, now that my egg is nice and fluffy, I'm going to add 1 cup of flour to that. I'm adding 3/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of milk to that, and I'm still going to add a little bit more at the end, but I'll show you that. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Beat that until everything is well mixed together. Be sure to scrape your bowl in between. At this point, this is done, but I still like my batter to be a little bit more thinner, so I want to show you that if you need to add any more milk to yours, you can go ahead and add it. And I'm adding an extra tablespoon of milk, and you can just use your spoon and stir it. You don't have to take out your mixer and beat it again. This is exactly how I like my batter to be. Okay, so here I have my pan set over medium heat, and I'm going to add a little bit of butter to the pan. I want to show you what it looks like if you add butter and if you don't add butter to the pan. I'm going to add 1 spoonful of the butter in the pan, and don't do anything to it, just pour it in there and leave it alone. Let this cook until it puffs up and looks dry around the edges, and then you turn it, and that will take about 1.5 minutes. You can make your pancake to any size you like, but this is what I like. I like it somewhere in the middle. It's not too big and not too small. It's been 1.5 minutes, so now I'm going to flip it, and I'm going to let this next side cook for 1 minute. Don't touch it again, you don't have to do anything to it. I know I've seen people take their spatula and just press it down and press it down, but don't do that, you're going to ruin a good thing. I'm cleaning out my pan a little bit, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like if you don't put any oil. You do the same thing with this one. Let it cook for 1.5 minutes on one side, and then flip it over and let it cook for another minute. Now, if when you put your batter in a pan and you feel like it's not coming out round, you can use your spoon to help even it out and make it round. Remember, you don't want to go in there and try to press down your pancake. That will just flatten it. No need to do that. I'm going to put this last one on my plate so I can show you what it looks like. I'm saving the rest to take my picture. Would you just look at this beautiful stack of pancakes? Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the one without the butter, and then this one is with the butter in the pan. And I like the one without the butter in the pan. I feel like it looks better. I mean, they both taste good. It just looks better to me. I just want to tear this in half so you can see how fluffy it is. Look at that. Oh my gosh, these pancakes, they are the bomb. They're so good and so soft and so fluffy and light. They're the best. I'm going to put a little bit of butter on there and some maple syrup. That's how I like it. When I was growing up, my mom used to just put butter and white sugar on there when we were out of pancake syrup, and it was always so good. And even up to this day, I still like to eat my pancakes like that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you give it a try, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.